Hi, bus. It's a school bus.
Beep, beep.
Beep, beep. Are you gonna go to school one day?
What?
Are you gonna go to school one day, or are you just gonna play with rocks?
What?
Rocks, okay. You can go to school for rocks. You can learn geology. Can you say geology? Geology?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, bus. I think it's for summer school.
No.
I think it's for summer school.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Fall.
Did you fall? No, you didn't fall. You didn't fall.
Cat.
There is a cat. He's relaxing.
Nice.
He's relaxing.
Nice.
The cat is relaxing, babe.
Uh-oh.
Look, he's just enjoying a little rest. Bye-bye, school bus. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, school bus.
Bye.
Bye-bye, school bus. Beep, beep. Turn. You're silly, doll. It is wet. The grass is wet.
Walking.
Walking, walking.
Road.
Road, you shouldn't walk in the road, just the sidewalk.
Sidewalk.
We like to walk in the sidewalk.
Sidewalk.
Mm-hmm.
Grass.
Grass, that is the grass. Thank you. The grass is wet. No, 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 baby, that's dirty. No touch. Yucky. Yeah, that's yucky. Thank you.
Books.
That's yucky.
Books.
Yeah, that's yucky. That's dirty and there are bugs on it. That's yucky.
Uh-oh.
It's trash. Trash is yucky.